Philips headlight bulbs have been lighting the way since 1914. We develop, manufacture, and distribute Philips Automotive lighting products. Today, they are the choice of over 100 car manufacturers and are installed in more than 1/3 of the world's car park. We've developed groundbreaking innovation in halogen, xenon HID, and LED. Our mission is to introduce innovative products that constantly increase road safety and delight drivers. Because in our DNA, there are two important elements: innovation and quality. Innovation comes from customer intimacy. We undertake constant exchange, market proximity, both in sales and production. And for quality, manufacturing excellence combines best raw materials, cutting-edge technologies, as well as production techniques, and highly skilled people passionate about their work. We put our products through the toughest of tests to ensure superlative quality, reliability, and safety, and provide after-sales service for peace of mind. This results in bright, reliable, and stylish products for continued satisfaction of partners and consumers that allow us to win more of the prestigious awards and ensure that you have the opportunity to sell Philips genuine products for peace of mind and good business.
Innovation and you, Philips.